In this video, we will demonstrate how to create your first simple website using HTML and hosting it locally on your own computer with Python. To begin, open up Notepad or whatever text editor you prefer. For this simple example, I will use Notepad. Make a new file and choose Save As. Make sure to adjust the type to All Files so that it will be saved as an HTML file, and then name it index.html. Next, let's begin by writing the markup for a new page. All pages will have an HTML tag. Inside of that, let's add our body tag, which is where the content of the web page is placed. For this example, let's create a title or heading by writing an h1 tag, and then inside of that, writing the text Hello World. Once that is done, save the file and open up Command Prompt. Change the directory to the folder containing your index.html file. When we run the Python server, it will be looking for this file by default. Type in python-m http.server and then hit Enter to execute the command. It will tell you when successful which port your website process is now listening on. Open up your favorite browser and navigate to the home IP 127.0.0.1, followed by a colon and then the port number, which in our case is 8000. Hit Enter to load the page, and you will see our new page that says Hello World. Next, let's add some test text inside of a paragraph tag and save the file again. Once the file is saved, you can reload it in the browser to see the changes without needing to stop the Python HTTP server. Thanks for watching.